If you have an interest in doing a rehab project, we do fix and flip nationwide if the spread is there. We do a lot of commercial projects as well nationwide. Primarily we're on multifamily new construction, industrial, retail, and entertainment. It is break time. We are doing all the exterior currently right now. Designing a new arch entrance for a speakeasy. All new LP siding, lap siding with shake. And this property also is gonna be rented out for weddings. Pretty right here. And we're currently putting up the lap siding at the front. Now this lap siding is coming primed. So all the lap siding will be painted. A lot of the trim is coming pre-finished, white. If you have any questions or you would like to look at doing a rehab project with Prestige Group, just go ahead and DM me below. Reach out to me at The Contractor Jim is my handle on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.